Hello kids, how are you? I believe you all are safe. Welcome to today's mathematics class. Have you watched the last video of mathematics? Good. I hope you understood the concepts clearly. Before moving into today's class, let us learn one moral value. Are you all ready? Yes. Good. Children, today's moral value is honesty. Okay, children, you should be honest in your work and words. Okay, you should not cheat others. If you are honest, all people will love you and believe you. Okay, honesty is the stepping stone for success. To taste victory, you need to be honest. As a children, you should be honest in your studies and be true to your parents, teachers and friends. Okay children? Yes. Children, before moving into today's session, let us recall what we had learnt in our last session. Okay? Yes. Place value and face value. Write the place value and face value of all the digits in 8674. First, the place value of 8 in 8674 is 8000. Then the face value of 8 in 8674 is 8. Next, the place value of 6 in 8674 is 600. Next, the face value of 6 in 8674 is 6. Next, the place value of 7 in 8674 is 70. Next, the face value of 7 in 8674 is 7. Next comes the place value of 4 in 8674 is 4. And the face value of 4 in 8674 is 4. Yes? Have you understood? Yes. And next comes expanded form. The expanded form of 9432 is 9000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. Next, 6087 is expanded as 6000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 7. Yes. Next, 3506 is expanded as 3000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 6. Next, 3410, it is expanded as 3000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 0. Yes, hope you understood the concepts clearly, isn't it? Yes children, good. Next comes the predecessor and the successor. Predecessor is the number that comes just before the given number, and successor is the number that comes just after the given number. For example, if the given number is 7, the predecessor is 6 and the successor is 8. Then for the given number 28, the predecessor is 27 and the successor is 29. And for the number 154, the predecessor is 153 and the successor is 155. Then for the number 6580, the predecessor is 6579 and the successor is 6581. Next from the number 9010, the predecessor is 9009 and the successor is 9011. Next for the number 9999, the predecessor is 9998 and the successor is 10,000. Okay, have you understood the concepts clearly? Yes. Hope you can differentiate between predecessor and successor clearly. Isn't so? Yes. Good. Go through the slides frequently and understand the concepts. Okay, children? Yes. Next, comparison of numbers. You had learnt about the comparison of numbers in your first and second standard, isn't it? Yes. You had known how to compare one digit greater number with one digit smaller number and two digit number with one digit number and three digit number with two-digit number, isn't it? Yes. Which is greater? Some examples are given here. 9 is greater than 3. 25 is greater than 15. 134 is smaller than 167. That is 167 is greater than 134. Next, 889 is greater than 645. The symbol is open wider to the greater number and closed to the smaller number. Suppose if the two numbers are equal, for example 100, two numbers are 100, the symbol equal to is used. Okay children? Yes. Children, you had known that two-digit numbers are always greater than one-digit numbers. Example, 65 is greater than 9. Next, three-digit numbers are always greater than two-digit numbers. Yes, 697 is greater than 58. Isn't it? Yes. Some more examples are given in this picture. 87 is greater than 32 and 32 is lesser than 87. Next, 32 is equal to 32. Hope you understood the difference between the comparison of numbers. Yes. Next, comparison of numbers for four-digit numbers. For this, some steps are needed. The first step is, first look at the thousands place of the given number. Yes, here two numbers are given. They are 5468 and 3972. We have to compare these two numbers. For the number 5468, 5 is in thousands place. For the number 3972, 3 is in thousands place. Here which number is greater? 5 is greater than 3. So obviously 5468 is greater than 3972. Next step, if the 1000 digits are the same, compare the 100 digits. Okay, yes, here in the example for the two numbers, 7 is the number which are in their thousands place, and since the thousands place are the same, we have to move into the hundreds place. Here 5 is in hundreds place in the number 7543 and 8 is in hundreds place for the number 7821. So 8 is greater than 5. So that is 5 is less than 8. So 7821 is greater than 7543. Yes? Clearly? Yes, children. Then we are moving into the third step. If the thousands and hundred digits are same, we have to look at to the tens digits. Okay. Yes. Here two numbers are given, 8413 and 8472. Here 8 and 4, they are in the thousands and hundred digits of both the given number. So we have to look into the tens digits. In the tens digits, one is given for the number 8413 and 7 is given for the number 8472. So 7 is greater than 1. So the number 8472 is greater than 8413. Yes. Next, fourth one. If the thousands, hundreds and tens digits are the same, then compare the ones digits. For the number 7536 and for 7530, 753 are same for both the numbers, and 6 is given for the ones place for the number 7536 and 0 is in 7530. So 6 is greater than 0 here. So the number 7536 is greater than 7530. Yes. So I hope you clearly understood about the variation in comparison of numbers. Yes. Yes. Good. Next, coming to the some more examples. First, 5263 is compared with 2056. Here 5 is greater than 2. So the number 5263 is greater than 2056 according to the first step. Yes. Next, 4268 is compared to 4786. Here in the first number 2 is in hundreds place and in the second number 7 is in hundreds place. So the number 7 is greater than 2. So the number 4786 is greater than 4268. Next comes to compare 7984 with 7935. Here both the 100 and the 1000 digits are the same. So we have to move into tens place. Yes. Here 8 is greater than 3. So the number 7984 is greater than 7935. Next comes 8236 is compared with 8239. Here the 1000, 100 and tens digits are the same. So we'll cut into ones place. Yes, 6 and 9. 9 is greater than 6. So the number 8239 is greater than 8236. Next, 9999 is equal to 9999. In this way, we have to compare each and every step. Okay, yes. Next, circle the greatest number. If we are comparing all these numbers based on the above 4 steps, we will get 8461 as the greatest number in the first one, and in the next example we will get 9999 as the greatest number, and for the third one 1354 is the greatest number, and for the fourth one 2498 is the greatest one, and for the fifth one 7659 is the greatest number. Okay children? Yes. Next, circle the smallest number. In the first example, 5642 is the smallest number by applying all the 4 steps we have discussed already. Yes, for the second one, 6514 is the smallest number. For the third example, 1300 is the smallest number. In this way, we have to compare all the numbers. Okay, children? Yes. Children, next comes ordering of numbers. It is the arrangement of numbers either from big to small or from small to big. First, ascending order. If the numbers are arranged in an increasing order, that is from small to big, it is called ascending order. Next, descending order. If the numbers are arranged in a decreasing order, that is from big to small, it is called descending order. Yes? Yes. Are you clear now? Yes. See the picture and enjoy the concept clearly. Yes, children. Then comes ascending order. Ascending order is the arrangement of numbers from smaller to bigger. Yes. In the first example, you have to look at first in the thousands place. Here the numbers in the thousands place are different. So you have to arrange the numbers from smaller number to the bigger number. Then in the second example, the number present in the thousands place are same. So you have to look into the hundreds place and then arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger to get the ascending order of the number. Next, in the third example, the numbers in the thousands and hundreds place are the same. So we are moving into tens place and then arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest and then forming the ascending order. Okay, yes. In the last example, the numbers in the thousand, hundred and tens place are same. So we are moving into ones place and then arrange the numbers from the smallest to biggest. Okay, then we are getting the ascending order of the numbers. Look at the picture. First the smaller ducks are swimming and then the bigger ducks are swimming. Yes, smaller to bigger. This is called as the ascending order. Yes, children? Hope you understood the concepts clearly. Yes, you have to do practicing frequently. Okay, daily you should practice the sums. Then only it will be easily for you. Okay, children? Yes. Good children, you have to practice a lot. Okay, daily do max sums. Okay, yes. Next comes descending order. This is the order of arranging the numbers from biggest to the smallest. Look at the first example. First compare the thousands digits and arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay, next example. In the next example, the 1000 digit are the same. So we have to move into the 100 digit and arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Yes. And in the third example, the 1000 and the 100 digits are the same. So we are moving into the tens place. Yes, and then arrange the numbers from the bigger number to the smaller number. Yes, next, in the last example, here the thousands, hundreds, and tens digits are the same. So we are moving into ones place, and then find out the bigger number in the ones place and arrange the numbers from bigger number to the smaller number to form the ascending order. Children, have you understood clearly now? Yes. You have to know the difference between ascending order and descending order. Then only you will easily identify. Okay, children? Yes. You have to do at least 5 sums or 3 sums daily. Then only you will understand the concepts and you won't forget the concepts. Yes. Good. Next comes formation of greatest and smallest 4-digit number. To form the greatest 4-digit number, arrange the digits in decreasing order, that is in descending order, that is from bigger number to smaller number. Next, to form the smallest 4-digit number, arrange the digits in the increasing order, that is ascending order. For example, 4, 7, 9, 2 number is given. The greatest 4-digit number formed here is 9742. And the smallest 4-digit number 2479 is formed here. Children, you should not put comma when writing the greatest 4-digit number or the smallest 4-digit number, because digits only having comma and the number is never having comma. You should remember, don't forget. Okay, children? Yes. Good. Here some more examples are given. For the digits 4, 3, 7, 1, the greatest number is 7431 and the smallest number is 1347. Next example, 8, 3, 2, 5. Here the greatest 4-digit number is 8523 and the smallest 4-digit number is 2358. And then for the digits 3, 7, 0, 1, the greatest number is 7310 and the smallest number is 1037. Then for the digits 6, 5, 0, 9, the greatest 4-digit number is 9506 and the smallest 4-digit number is 5069. Children, remember, don't put comma when writing the greatest number or the smallest number. Okay, the digits are having comma and not the numbers. Please remember this. Yes. Next, rounding of numbers. First to the nearest 10. For rounding of number to the nearest 10, check the digit at the ones place. If the digit at the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, change the ones digit to 0 and keep the other digits same. For example, 63. Here 3 is in ones place and 6 is in tens place. So the 3 in ones place becomes 0 and the 6 will stay as it is. So 63 is rounded off to 60. If the digit at the ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, change the ones digit to 0 and add 1 to the tens digit. For example, 67. 7 is in ones place. So 7 becomes 0 and add 1 to 6. So it becomes 7. So 67 is rounded off to 70. Are you clear now? Yes. You have to keep the rule whenever you are going to round it off the given number to tens place. Okay, always remember the rule and apply the rule, and then you have to round it off the given number. Yes. So the rounding of numbers for 10 is clear, isn't it? Yes, children. Here are some examples for round off the numbers to the 10. Here 124 is rounded off to 120 and 569 is rounded off to 570 and 1352 is rounded off to 1350 and 6458 is rounded off to 6460. Here we are rounding off the numbers based on the two rules we learned. Yes. Next, rounding off the numbers to the nearest hundred. Here also some rules to be followed. For rounding off a number to the nearest hundred, check the digit at the tens place. There we are checking the digits at the ones place in the rounding of the numbers to nearest 10. Here we are checking the digit at the tens place. If the tens digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, change tens and ones digits to 0 and keeping the other digits to same. Yes. So the 134 is rounded off to 100 and 2803 is rounded off to 2800. Yes. If the tens digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, change both the tens and one digits to 0 and add 1 to the hundreds digit. Yes. So here 178 is rounded off to 200 and in 7695 is rounded off to 7700. Here we are applying the particular rule, the corresponding rule, and we have to round it off the numbers to near 100. Okay children, hope you are clearly know about the differentiation between the rounding of numbers to 10 and 100. Do with a lot of exercise. Yes children. Next, even or odd numbers. Even numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their ones place. So the numbers that can be divided by 2 is called as even numbers. Example 14, 28, 136 like that. Next, odd numbers. Odd numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in their ones place. And the numbers that cannot be divided by 2 is called the odd number. Example 11, 35, 5, 7. Yes. So children, today we learnt about the comparison, ordering and rounding off 4-digit numbers and also odd numbers and even numbers. Hope you understood the concepts clearly. Yes, do the sums given in the videos as well as in the activity. Yes. Children, go through the videos frequently and do the activity sum without fail. Yes, good. Thank you children. We'll meet you in the next session of our mathematics class. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.